Hello guys, and this is Siddharth. I'm in the official website of IBF. So guys, here I'm going to show you the courses which is offered by the IBF. See that guys, courses of the institute. The first one is flagship course. Second, diploma courses is also offered by IBF. Third one is certificate courses also there. Fourth one, that is blended courses, both exam plus training, which is given by IABF. And finally, management programs is also offered by IABF. In flagship courses, they offer JIB, CAIB, and Diploma in Banking and Finance. These three exams are having monetary benefits when you joined in the banks. And the second one is diploma examinations, that is DTIRM, International Banking, Banking Technology, Retail Banking, Wealth Management, and the Urban Cooperative Bank. So these are all the diploma courses which is offered by the IIBF, and certificate courses like AML KYC, International Trade Finance, MSME, CISB, Customer Service, Microfinance, FEMA, IT Security, Prevention of Cybercrime, Rural Banking OPS, Foreign Exchange OPS, Digital Banking, Introduction to Banking, Non-Banking Finance Company, Small Finance Banks, Ethics in Banking, Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, Specialist Officers, Business Correspondents, and Business Facilitators, and finally is the DRA. So these are all the certification courses which will be conducted every fortnightly. And finally, blended courses, both exam plus training. The first one is compliance, bank trainer, treasury dealer, credit officer, risk in financial services, accounting and audit. And finally guys, management programs which is also offered by IIBF, that is MBA and AMP. Guys, see that they have segregated like this. So credit related, if you are really interested in banking sector in a credit domain, means these two certificates are very important for you: certified credit professional and MSME. If you completed these both two examination, you have a strong knowledge about credit. And if you are really interested in retail banking, so you may take retail banking in CAB elective, diploma in retail banking you may take on it. So if you are really interested in rural banking CAB elective you can take it, or rural banking operations you may take it. If you are really interested in the international banking, foreign exchange operations certificate course you may take it, international trade finance you may take it, diploma in international banking and finance you may take it if you are really interested in international banking. And if you are really interested in risk management, risk in financial services, diploma in treasury investment and risk management you may take and study. And if you are really interested in treasury, certified treasury professional, this is a course which is offered by IABF. And the diploma in treasury investment and risk management you may take and study if you are really want to go to treasury department. And finally, information technology, if you are really interested in IT CAB elective you may take it, diploma in banking technology you may take it, cyber security you may take it, IT security and digital banking. These 5 certificate examinations are really very important if you took information technology as your domain in banking sector. And general banking, every bankers must know about JAB, CAB, AML, KYC and customer service is very important if you go for general banking services. Okay guys, hope this video is really very helpful for you. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.